Hello everybody, welcome back to the Eternal Bricks channel, and welcome to the Jurassic World Guess the Sound video. Throughout this video, these 5 dinosaur sounds will be played. All by me. No phone or anything like that. No other tech. Just my voice. You ready? Because it's going to be a blast. Let's get right to it. First dinosaur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: Tyrannosaurus Rex. Next dinosaur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: Brachiosaurus. Third dinosaur. 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: Velociraptor. Fourth dinosaur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: Dilophosaurus. For the final dinosaur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: the Indominus Rex. Thank you for joining me for this Guess the Sound video. Tell me how many answers you got right down below in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.